Do tags matter on YouTube? It's a viewer question that I'm frequently asked from everyone, so that's what we're going to deep dive into today. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, and if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there into the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe. Start creating. Tags or meta tags have been discussed since the dawn of the internet. These are remnants of the good old days when you used to title, describe, and tag your blogs and web pages to get indexed by Yahoo and Google and Bing and MSN and Altala Vista, which I mispronounced, but still. So when YouTube was initially born and it had titles, descriptions and tags, the idea was to appeal to this big search engine, which was Google, which would later buy the platform. Now over time the algorithm has changed and it now favours things like the quantity of traffic and the statistics that this can generate. But I'm here to tell you that you shouldn't forget tags. 1. Small YouTubers. Do tags matter? To you? Yes, they do. For small YouTubers that don't get thousands of views every second, the instant that they upload a video, then tags and SEO are paramount. What you need to do is feed metadata to Google and to YouTube to tell them exactly what that video is about, because they can't ascertain that from the amount of views that you've got. They can't guess what your video is about because you don't have links coming into your video. You don't have shares on Twitter and Facebook and forums and media outlets. So what you need to do as a small YouTuber is continue to think about search engine optimization. I've done a video here as part of the How to Become a YouTuber series and many others in a playlist which I'll also put up here. You need to focus on a keyword that will go in your title and your descriptions, and then remix it into your tags. Your tags have to be long keywords and key phrases. So for example, if this video is about how to make money, then it would be make money on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube without AdSense. They need to be related and relevant to your content, your title, your descriptions, and you pad it out. Why? 2. Metadata. A title, a description, your tags, the captions, the subtitles, your cards, your end screens, anything that you associate to that video is metadata. And metadata is fed like a giant cookie to YouTube. If you're a small YouTuber, that's what it judges your video on. It understands what your thumbnail is, how people are interacting via stats. And if you don't get hundreds of thousands of views, that's how it knows what that video is about and then can suggest things against it. The more metadata you can feed YouTube, the more likely it is then to recommend it and get you views. And then those views and its behavior on that video is how it then knows to forget your metadata in the long run. If your average video gets 2, 3, 4, 500 views, then it's still reliant on the search engine optimization. It's still reliant on people finding that video through search or through related content providers. If you are a larger YouTuber, YouTube looks at your statistics and realizes that's got tens of thousands of views, they watch it for 80% of the time, and if they've watched that video, they're likely to have watched blah, blah, blah videos, and then they can rank them against those based on behavior and not tags. So 3, if you are a large YouTuber, tags don't matter as much. This is where the myth comes from, that people are suggesting that tags don't matter. They do matter, but they matter much less when you're able to drive traffic on behavior alone. When PewDiePie uploads a video, it's sent out to a percentage of his subscribers. They watch, and then he's likely to get 20, 30, 40, 50, 100,000 views within the first hour or so. And that behavior score of what they went to watch next, what they've watched before, are they watching it in a playlist? Do they click on Shane Dawson? Do they click on Jake Paul? That behavior is how that video then ranks. And then they look at the title and the descriptions and the tags. And if you have a look at PewDiePie videos, they don't tend to actually have rankable titles. They're full of crap or memes. That's because he's in the large YouTuber threshold, but you don't have to be 66 million subscribers to be large. You just need to be pushing enough traffic. And if you're getting enough views, say if you're getting a couple of thousand views in the first hour of that video, then it will be the behavior of those viewers that will rank your video based on the behavior and performance of those viewers and not the metadata. But if you're a small YouTuber, you need to feed them the cookie before you get the viewers, and then those viewers will help you with behavior. You need to try and drive more views to get that data in the first place. There's a playlist up here to help you with that. I hope that helps you understand how important tags are for small to large YouTubers. For more YouTube tricks and tips like this, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification icon to be alerted every time my videos go live. Go out there, start creating.